Hey guys, so I know this week we're talking about gamification and we are supposed to come up with an activity and all that for a screencast this week. I personally did not come up with like a full on activity. Um, I just thought I would kind of like I have an activity in mind and everything, but for this website, cause like I was really looking into it and I really love this website and I was like reading into it and everything. I think it's you can use any activity in here. Now I understand that it's probably not the best idea to give badges for every assignment and everything, but like this part of this website is making rubrics. So the way I would use it is I would just use it on everything, anything that would really involve a rubric. So like bigger assignments, like projects and everything, like big English papers, a science project, anything like that, a history project, like a timeline project or anything like that. I think this would be great because I could make a rubric for those bigger projects, and then kids can obviously do the project, and I can score the rubric and everything, and then right on this website, I can assign a badge and give them a badge right there. And I love this website because it's just literally like your class, like all right here. Like obviously, I don't have a class. I try to add some names to make it more realistic, but it wouldn't let me because I needed like ID numbers and everything. But yeah, so like the sort of name, the activity, the score they got, percentage, all of that. I think that's really cool that you can just see like straight across like how kids did like in each activity compared to each other and everything. And then what I think is really cool is the badges thing. It's like, right on the side, you issue a badge to a student. Now you don't have to give them to like everyone. You can give them to like certain students, but like the way I would do it is that since everyone completed the assignment, everyone would get a badge. But depending on how you did the assignment, would be the badge you got. So maybe some assignments I would only create three different badges, so you get one out of three badges. Like each badge is differently ranked. Or other ones like maybe even bigger assignments, I can do five badges to give kids more like a better chance to do better, like get a better badge or something. But I think it's awesome that you can really just put it all like within this website and everything that you can design all these different things. There's so many like ideas and so many tools on this website that are just super helpful. And I love also, I know you can't see this. I would have to explore this more, but I think it's really cool that there's like a library. I read it on this. There's like a library that once you assign a student a badge, they can add it to their library and keep track of the badges they have, which I think is cool because like I mean, little kid like I mean specifically for me, I'm gonna teach little kids, so obviously my rubrics can't be super hard or anything, but like I know little kids love stickers and ideas like that, or like getting different kinds of stickers for different sorts of things, and it's easy for them to understand like what their sticker means, and like it's easy for them to process and everything. So I think that's why badges would be like a great tool to use. And like they play video games and everything. There's badges in the video games. There's it's all the same thing. I'm just like bringing their video game life to the classroom, or like within like their science. Obviously, that is the point of view. But yeah, that's the idea I had around this website. Is I know I didn't come up with a specific activity, but I think it can be used in pretty much any subject as long as you use a rubric for the assignment that's given. And me personally, I would do it on bigger assignments like I said earlier because I don't want to grade everything with badges. But I think badges would be a great tool to have, like here and there, just to like help kids see like a little better where they are, like let them have fun and everything like that. So yeah, that's my input on the gamification for the week, and I hope you like